Homemade juice without a blender with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi Omusomesa from Kampala, Uganda. Today, I'm here to show you my English version, how to make juice in the village, juice without blender. If you're in the village, you don't have power or electricity, you are good to go. So whoever is online, please like the video. After liking the video, if it is your first time, please subscribe so that you can get daily recipes. And don't forget, us, we don't learn alone. After watching this video, share with each and everyone. So we're going to start with pineapple juice. So you're going to peel the pineapple. After peeling it, you chop it. After chopping it, we are going to apply it in the bowl. You're going to apply it in the bowl. Then after, you are going to grate ginger. Then I'll also apply grated ginger here. Apply grated ginger here. Then you are going to get a wooden spoon or a rolling pin. Then you start mashing. So you mash until you see that it has finally mashed. It has finally mashed. Then you are going to apply, or you are going to add some sugar, but sugar is optional. If you don't need it, don't apply it. So apply sugar, then you mash again. Continue mashing until you see. Then add water. After adding water, you get your strainer. Then you start straining. You start straining. You start straining, or you start sieving. Even you can get a support of a rolling pin or a wooden spoon as you squeeze. As you squeeze, as you apply some little water. So this is our pineapple juice. We apply some little ginger. Then we are going to do passion fruit juice. Passion fruit juice. So we are going to remove the seeds from the passion fruits. Then you apply them in the bowl, but make sure that the passion fruits are more than the other ingredients we are going to apply, because apply passion fruits for taste. Then after grate carrot, then you also add carrots here. We add carrots for color and to balance the taste. Then you are going to get the tangerines. Then peel the tangerines, deseed them. Deseeding, I mean remove the seeds from the tangerines. Then after removing them, then add the tangerines. Make sure that you use very ripe tangerines. Make sure that you use very ripe tangerines. So add the tangerines, then you start mashing. You start mashing. So the reason why we apply tangerines to balance the taste and the color. Then add sugar if you love it. If you don't love it, skip it. Then mash again. You mash again. We are doing juice without a blender. If you're in the village, the place you are in, no power, please follow my procedure. Then you're going to get a sieve and sieve your juice. But sieve as you apply in some little water. Sieve as you apply in some little water. According to the juice, you have to first taste and see the amount of water you have to apply in. Yes, after doing this procedure. If the taste is okay, but if it is pure, you apply in some little more water. So squeeze until you get this. You can see our passion fruit juice. It is too colorful. Even someone can think that we used a blender. Then apply your juice and serve. Then mango juice. We are going to get very ripe mangoes. Peel them. After peeling them, chop them. After chopping them, then add them in the bowl, in the clean bowl. Then in that clean bowl, we are going to apply some grated ginger, but it is optional. The ginger, it is optional. You can add it or skip it. So add some ginger, then you start mashing. Mash until you see that everything is finally mashed or everything is soft. Then after that, we are going to add sugar. Sugar is optional. You can skip it. Then continue mashing. Continue mashing. You mash until you see that you get a final product. It is purely, it is like a purely form. Then after that, you are going to add in water. Yes, add in water. Continue adding in enough water. Then get your sieve and sieve your juice. So you are going to sieve as you squeeze with a wooden spoon. But as you apply in some little water, so that you can remove all your juice from the remaining, this remaining stuff. Then squeeze, continue squeezing. Then this is your juice. This is mango juice. Then you're going to serve it. You can see it. You can think that we use the blender. Then we are doing the last one, watermelon juice. So remove your watermelon, add it in the what? Add it in the bowl. This is the only juice we are not going to apply water. So here we don't apply water, we don't add water because watermelon has its water. Yeah, then you are going to start mashing. Mash until you get the final product. Here, me myself, I don't take sugar, but if you take sugar, apply sugar. So you can skip it. Then mash again. Then after, you're going to strain. Please don't add water. Don't put water. Then start straining and make sure that you squeeze everything and get your watermelon juice. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi Omusomesa from Kampala, Uganda. I want you to comment where I've been watching my video from. If you want to train cookery, bakery, barista and pastries, you can come and join Super Kitchen School. We have short courses and full courses. We are located in Busika Gayaza Road. We offer free accommodation if you come from far. And if you finish, we also connect you to different jobs. After graduation, we also get you internship. I sign out.